I was removing my forelocs, so I just want to detangle my hair with you guys. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is a mess. It's dirty. Just look at the matted thing. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I think I just have to section my hair because I want time to detangle. Then I have a pre-wash and use my rice water, of course. So while detangling my hair, I'm gonna need my water. This is just plain water, so I'll be spraying in my hair. Then yeah, I'm gonna detangle it. So keep watching while we do. It's actually a sit-up video. I'm gonna maybe chat with you along the way. So just keep watching, and yeah, let's meet in the comment section below and tell me what you think or what you guys do after taking down your forelocs and how you take care of your hair. Yeah, you can let me know how you do it. Yes. Oh my god. So this is the growth, guys. Look, from here, this is the growth. As you can see, there is different here about this long. So my hair has grown a bit, guys. Yeah, I think I'll have to do length check for my hair. We'll see about that, how it will go. So yeah, let me just, this is my ribbon, let me just section. I want to do it in sections so that I be quick. Yeah. Like so. You guys, tell me where you're watching me from. I need comments because I get a lot of views and I don't get comments. So if you're watching me, at least tell me, oh, I'm watching you from there, you're watching me from, I don't know you guys where you're watching me from. It could be Nigeria, it could be Ghana, it could be, I don't know, America. So comment where you're watching me from, and yeah, let's get to know each other and join this family. And we can also be friends on Instagram. Apparently I disabled one account because I do have 2 Instagram accounts. So anyway, I'll put it on my screen here. It's a natural barrier, so I'll just put it on my thingy so you can follow me up on Instagram. And also on Facebook, you can follow me. So, as you can see, I've managed to separate this one. Wow. So guys, you got to be gentle to avoid the breaking of your hair, you know. My forelocs were 2 months old, and I can see, wow, I can see the difference. My hair is full with a lot of volume. I love the volume. I can't wait to wash it, guys. I really can't. Yeah, I really miss my hair. You know how obsessed I'm really obsessed with my natural hair. Yeah, because I remember way back I used to relax my hair, but not anymore. I am so obsessed. And also don't mind about the dark spot here. I had a breakout due to periods, you know. Yeah, so I have about, I don't know how many scars, 1 2 3 4 5 scars, but they will disappear. I love my clean face. Uh-oh, I'm stuck here. So here I think I'm just gonna spray. Okay, wow, I want it to be splashy, like, let me taste it. Okay. okay? So usually what I love to do is just using my bare hands when detangling, because I'm scared to use a wide tooth comb. I'm scared to lose my hair. So don't worry when you see some shading. You see, when you see some shading, it's not that imishishire onaika, no. It's because palapale pelele mishishi share katana, so nishi shimbishale fuma. You see what I mean? So don't worry. Shire kola shimbi. Namona. My hair is brown, guys. Look. Namona mishishambi. I really can't wait. So let's go to another one. So I think I'll have to spray water even here. Woo. It's dripping. Okay, let me just do this. Do this like so. I am done detangling my hair, so I have put it in 2 sections. Like this is one at the back and another one in the front. So now I'm going to prepare myself for a pre-wash, which you're going to see. So I'll take you along with me, so keep watching, and make sure if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So keep watching. So I hope you enjoyed my detangling. Had this one, but you don't have to worry about it. It has done itself stream, so there's no pressure about it. So I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna soak it in oil. And so if you want to watch this next video, the vlog video, please subscribe so that you don't miss it. Subscribe and watch my previous videos. Thanks for staying with me, and thank you for reaching out to the end. See you next time. Bye bye.